Hello everyone, this is me Deboshmita Sarkar. Today we are going to talk about pollution of air and water. So let's begin. Introduction. We studied the harmful changes taking place in our surroundings and their effects on our lives. The substance that contaminates air and water are known as pollutants. Air gets polluted from natural sources, smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruptions. Pollutants such as power plant and automobile exhaust and burning of firewood are man-made pollutants. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide are the major pollutants of air. Increasing levels of carbon dioxide lead to global warming. Pollution. Environmental pollution refers to undesirable changes in the surroundings that have adverse effects on plants, animals, and other biological and physical components of the environment. A substance that causes pollution is called a pollutant. Pollutant can be in liquid, solid, or gaseous form. A substance becomes a pollutant when its concentration is greater than the natural abundance, and this increase in concentration is either due to human activities or natural phenomenon. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, sound pollution, light pollution, etc. We call sound pollution as noise pollution also. Air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of pollutants, organic molecules, or other hazardous substances into Earth's atmosphere. Sources are natural, forest fire, dust storms, and volcanic activities, and man-made are power plants, homes, industries, oil refineries, and transportation. Effects are causes allergies, diseases, and even death to humans, causes birth defects in newborn babies, endangers animal health and welfare of plants and vegetation. How crucial is air and water? Water. The major sources of water are streams, rivers, lakes, oceans on the earth's crust. It plays a significant role in sustaining life on earth. It is widely used for human activities such as agriculture, drinking, washing, cleaning, etc. Air. Air is inevitable in our lives. The oxygen in the air is essential for the animals to survive. Oxygen helps to produce energy in their bodies. Air pollutants. The substances which accumulate in the air in high enough concentration that is hazardous to all organisms or to materials exposed to the air are called air pollutants. These may be present as solid particles, liquid droplets, or gases. Examples are methane, chlorofluorocarbons, particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead, etc. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Sources of carbon dioxide: cement production, deforestation, and burning of fuels like gasoline, natural gas, oil, coal, and wood. Sources of monoxide, which is a toxic air pollutant, is incomplete combustion of carbon containing compounds, especially fuels. Sulfur and nitrogen. Nitrogen dioxide NO2 and sulfur dioxide SO2 are major air pollutants. Sources are petroleum refineries. Combustion of fossil fuels like coal in power plant affects respiratory problems including permanent lung damage, acid rain, photochemical smoke, which causes breathing difficulties. Particulate matter. Particles of solid or liquid that remain suspended in air, water, or gas are called particulates. Examples are dust, pollen, debris, soot, acid, droplets, and smoke. Causes are combustion, construction, road dust, power plants, industries, deforestation, and agricultural activities. Effects are respiratory and heart disease, asthma, birth defects. Smog. Smog is made up of smoke and fog. Types are classical smog and photochemical smog. Classical smog. This type of smog occurs in areas with a humid climate and high concentration of sulfur oxide in the air. It is a mixture of smoke, fog, and mainly sulfur dioxide gas. Photochemical smog. This type of smog is prevalent in areas with dry and sunny climate and large numbers of automobiles. It is formed primarily as a result of chemical interaction among nitrogen oxide and sunlight. CFCs. Chlorofluorocarbons. CFCs are compounds of chlorine, fluorine, and carbon. Uses are components of aerosol sprays, refrigerants in refrigerators, ACs, and cooling plants. Effects are CFCs destruct ozone layer that protects the earth from sun's ultraviolet UV radiation. UV exposure can be lead to skin cancer, suppression of the immune system, and eye damage. Taj Mahal. Effects of air pollution on the Taj Mahal. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide react with the water vapor present in the atmosphere to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, respectively. This acid drop down with rain, making it acidic in nature. Reaction involved CO2 plus 2H2O gives 2H2CO3. 2SO2 O2 plus O2 plus 2H2O gives 2H2SO4. 4NO2 plus O2 plus H2O gives 4HNO3. Effects on Taj Mahal. Acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. Air pollution is turning the white marble into the black. Global warming, greenhouse gases. The gases which are responsible for greenhouse effect are called greenhouse gases. Examples are water vapor, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and methane. Greenhouse effect. Most of the solar radiation passes through the atmosphere. The Earth's surface radiates heat back towards space. A part of it is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. This effect maintains the livable temperature on the Earth's surface. Global warming. The increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere due to excess of greenhouse gases is called as global warming. Causes: deforestation, industries, oil refineries, power plants, excess burning of fossil fuels like natural gas, oil, and coal, etc. Effects of global warming. Warmer climate. On average, the Earth's temperature has become warmer than earlier. Natural calamities. There is an increase in occurrence and severity of natural calamities such as food, cyclones, earthquakes, etc. Rise of sea level. Due to global warming, there is a rise in sea levels due to the melting of the polar ice caps. Severe weather events, shifting of the climatic pattern has been observed across the globe. What can we do? Measures to reduce air pollution. Encourage use of CNG. It is a cleaner fuel as compared to petrol and diesel. Uses of unleaded petrol. The unleaded petrol does not emit harmful gases into the environment. Proper waste management maintains hygiene by proper disposal of waste to areas where they can be left incinerated or disposed of in a safe manner. Use of public transport or carpooling. It is economically eases congestion on roads and also reduce emissions to large extent. Water pollution introduction. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies with harmful waste. Causes are urbanization, industries, agriculture, religious and social practices, etc. Not so holy Ganga. Water pollutants. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. Examples are detergents, chemicals dumped by hospitals, insecticides and herbicides, etc. Effects of water pollution on the river Ganga. Towns and cities through which the river flows throw large quantities of garbage, untreated sewage, dead bodies, and many other harmful things directly into the river. Pollution in Ganga is choking the aquatic life and hindering the growth of plants. Ganga is one of the 10 most endangered rivers in the world. Potable water. Potable water. Water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. The potable water is free from all the contaminants and harmful bacteria. The water which is not potable or fit for drinking is called raw water. Boiling water. Boiling the water kills all the microbes. It protects us from waterborne diseases. Filtering water. Filtration is the process of separation suspended solid matter from a liquid. Filtration water can take away all microbes and impurities by up to a certain extent. Chlorination. Chlorination is done by adding chlorine tablets or bleaching powder to the water. This method is used to kill certain bacteria and other microbes in tap water. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe and be healthy.